Installation Overview. This video covers the displayed contents. 1. Unpacking and checking. Lay the packing materials on the ground before taking out the AAU. Place the AAU horizontally on the packing materials. Two. Installation materials. Three. Installation tools. 4. Installation process. This process includes installing the optical module, preparing cables, performing operations under the tower and on the tower with separated lifting, installing AAU cables, and adjusting the mechanical down tilt. For more details, refer to the subsequent videos. 5. Installation completed.